Today I am reviewing the Aircove Wi-Fi 6 VPN router. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. I have been putting the ExpressVPN Aircove Wi-Fi 6 router through its paces for the last few weeks, and I want to share my deep dive, hands-on review of this device. If you are anything like me, you probably have dozens of internet-connected gadgets running around your house, from laptops and phones to smart TVs, gaming consoles, and random smart home appliances. Keeping all of those secure usually means installing individual software on every single device, which is a massive headache, assuming the device even supports a VPN in the first place. That is exactly where the Aircove steps in to completely change the game, and after living with it, I can confidently say it is one of the smartest upgrades I have made to my home network in a very long time. Let us start with the physical setup and initial impressions. Out of the box, the hardware itself feels robust and looks modern, sporting a sleek design that blends right into a living room or office setup. It features dual-band Wi-Fi 6 capabilities, promising speeds up to 1200 megabits per second, and covers up to 1600 square feet. In my testing, the coverage claims absolutely hold up. I placed it centrally in my home, and the signal easily penetrated through multiple walls, maintaining a stable, high-speed connection even in the furthest corners of the house. But you do not buy the Aircove just for standard Wi-Fi 6 performance. You buy it for the world-class, built-in ExpressVPN integration, which is where this router truly shines. The setup process was incredibly intuitive. Instead of the usual nightmare of flashing custom firmware onto a traditional router, the Aircove features a custom user interface designed from the ground up by ExpressVPN. You simply plug it in, navigate to the setup dashboard, and log in. New users even get a 30-day free trial without needing to hand over a credit card upfront, which is a fantastic touch for anyone wanting to test the waters risk-free. Once everything is up and running, the standout feature, and honestly the absolute best reason to own this router, is the device grouping functionality. Traditionally, if you put a VPN on a router, every single device in your house is forced to connect to that one specific server location. That can cause major issues if you want to watch a geo-restricted streaming video in another country, but you also need to access your local bank account at the same time. The Aircove completely solves this dilemma. The dashboard allows you to visually sort all your connected devices into distinct groups. I created one group for my smart TV and streaming sticks, pointing them to a server overseas to catch live international sports. I created a second group for my work laptop and phone, setting them to a local server for maximum speed and normal browsing. Finally, I made a third group for my gaming PC, setting it to bypass the VPN entirely to ensure the absolute lowest possible latency for online matchmaking. Managing this all from a single browser tab is an absolute dream, and switching a device from one group to another takes literally 2 clicks. Another massive victory for the Aircove is how it handles smart home appliances and older tech. Devices like my smart refrigerator, baby monitor, and older gaming consoles have absolutely no native support for VPN software. By connecting them to the Aircove, they enjoy instant, always-on 24/7 protection at the network level. This gives me incredible peace of mind, knowing that peripheral devices, which are notoriously vulnerable to security flaws, are fully shielded behind robust encryption without me having to configure a single setting on the devices themselves. Beyond standard encryption, the built-in advanced protection features are phenomenal. Even if you choose to turn the VPN connection off for certain device groups, the router still offers advanced parental controls, ad blocking, and active protection against trackers and malicious websites. I noticed a significant reduction in intrusive web ads and felt much safer knowing the router itself was actively blocking known malicious domains before they could even reach my family's screens. Now, for a bit of logistical context, this specific version is designed to ship only to the United States and Canada, though ExpressVPN does offer an identical international variant. Functionally, they are exactly the same, so you do not have to worry about missing out on features based on your region. If there is any downside to consider, it is simply that you do need an active ExpressVPN subscription to unlock the full potential of the router after the initial 30-day trial expires. However, considering that a single subscription covers every single device in your house simultaneously through this router, the value proposition is incredibly high. In conclusion, the ExpressVPN Aircove is a stellar piece of hardware that beautifully bridges the gap between high-performance networking and ironclad digital privacy. It eliminates the friction of managing individual VPN apps, extends elite protection to smart home gadgets that otherwise lack security features, and offers unparalleled flexibility with its multi-location device groups. If you are serious about securing your entire household's digital footprint without sacrificing speed or convenience, the Aircove is an absolute must-have. It delivers flawlessly on its promises, and I cannot recommend it highly enough.